Hi everyone, welcome to Califlare. Today I'll be unboxing Goxawee's Power Tools Rotary Tool, model number G4007. Alright, so let's get started. So this is a Goxawee Rotary Tool, which is a corded one. It comes with a wire. It does not work on cordless or battery, and it only works on AC power. It has a flex tool with it. So let's open the box and have a look at what else we got. Okay, so this is everything that we have, and these are the accessories. So we have 140 accessories that comes with the tool out of the box. So as you can see, there are multiple tools here for sanding, buffing, grinding, and some cutting tools as well. So there are a lot of things or purposes that they can be used for. I'll be opening them in a minute, so let's first have a look at what the tool looks like. Alright, so this is the tool. So it's not that heavy, it's good to hold. It's from Goxawee and it has 5 different levels of speed, starting from 8,000 rpm to 30,000 rpm. And this is the chuck key. So it does not come with a chuck key. It has a button that you can hold and which can be used for tightening it, and you also have a wrench that you can use to tighten it so that it holds well. So this is the holder that you can use to hang the tool while you're using the flex shaft. We'll be looking at it in a minute. It looks strong, it looks well built. So I'll be creating a separate video for how this tool works out. Moving on, so we have this manual with all the instructions and what tools to use for which material. So we'll be looking at that. And this is used for drilling. It can be used for controlling your drills, and this is the guard for dust, and it can also be used as guard while using it with cutters. Okay, so moving on, this is the polishing compound that enhances the polishing effect. So use your felt wheel, you dip it in it, and you use it for buffing, which gives a good finishing look. Okay, now let's move on to the flex shaft. So this is used to extend the working range of your rotary tool, and it has these instructions, also warnings, and it comes with these instructions on how to use your flex shaft and not to bend it so much that it creates a pressure on the rotary tool. So these are the ends, and this is what goes into the tool, and this is where you'll have your bit, and it has a collet. So there's an additional collet that comes with the box that should be in the accessories box. Alright, now let's have a look at the accessories. Let's lay them out first on the table and see what tools we have. Okay, so here is the overview. This is the drill locator and the polishing compound. Here we have the rotary burrs and the diamond burr bits. So there are 2 of each type. We have the abrasive stones and we have the sanding rolls. We have twist drills, the wire brush, and the holders for the sanding rolls, mandrel for the felt wheel, mandrels for the discs, small spanner, wrench, and the collets. And we have the discs. So these are the resin cutting discs, the sandpapers, and the fiber cutting discs, the carbon brush. These are the attachment replacement for the rotary tool. And we have the felt wheels and more sandpapers, broader ones. Here we have the diamond cutting wheels and the cutting wheels for metals, wood, and other materials. Alright, so this concludes the unboxing video of the wired rotary tool from Goxawee model G4007. Overall, it looks like a powerful device that can be used for crafting, engraving, grinding, sanding, or for polishing objects of different material including wood, stone, metal, glass, ceramic, and more. With the first look, I like the tool and would recommend buying. Let me know if I missed something. I have another video coming up soon with the usage and review. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel to get notified, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.